Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to find trending sounds on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram. Here search watercolor. Go into audio and check out all the songs on it. Then search your favorite artist. Click audio to see if there's any trending songs from your favorite artist. Then click on the Reels icon. Tap on its music. Then search Creators. Open the account. From here, watch the videos and listen to the trending songs. Click on its music and you can also use that sound. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.